Hey everybody, Manuela here. Gonna do a video today talking about a free app. As you guys know, I like to bring as much content or provide you with any kind of, free money offers that I can find out there available. So, I'm always looking for new things and things that work for me. This video particularly is going to talk about Dosh. Right now, they're doing a promo for spring, so you're able to basically earn $15 per referral. So guys, I'm in a lot of affiliate marketing type things. So I like to refer products to other people. And then when that happens, I get paid. So if you know me, then you know that's pretty much the opportunities I like to talk about. If you follow me on YouTube, you'll know that from seeing a lot of my other videos. So this is going to be posted on my YouTube as well as my Facebook fan page. So feel free to comment, like, share, get the word out. So again, this particular video is going to talk about Dosh. This opportunity, you may have heard of it before, but not only are you able to earn by referring others to it, but you can actually earn cash back every time you spend once you link your cards to the app, okay? I'm going to go over the instructions a little bit, but just let me go ahead and share my screen and we're going to get right into it, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so you should be able to see my screen right now. As you can see, I'm just taking you to the website, but what you would do is actually go to your phone and you would go ahead and just click the link. When I do leave it below this video, click the link. It'll take you right to the app in your app store, whether you have an Android or iPhone. You're going to want to click that link, guys. And once you do, it's going to drive you to some more instructions, okay? It's probably going to have you go ahead and put, if I remember correctly, you'll go ahead and just put your name, an email address. So what's going to happen is it's going to then email you some instructions, all right? But it's pretty simple. We're going to go through this together as far as, let me show you what this is all about. But you're going to want to link your credit card or debit card. Has to be valid, of course. No prepaid cards are allowed to link. They used to allow that, but not anymore. So what it is, they want you to link your card because how else would you be able to earn cash back? Okay, so me personally, I have several cards. By the way, you will earn $1 per each card that you link. I have several cards linked, so they're the cards that I use the most. So every time you link a card and you spend on, charging whatever, if you go out and get pizza, if you go out and spend money, in your local shops that are, affiliated with this app, then you'll earn cash back. And we'll go over that in just a second. But if you can go ahead and just take a look at the screen here. This is just going to give you some basic information about Dosh. There's no scam about it. It's a free app. You can't go wrong. It's very secure. I've used it. I've gotten money from it, okay? So you will link your card, right? It's just telling you here, this is how you do it. You link your credit card or debit cards. I'm not sure what the limit on the credit cards or debit cards is. I mean, I think I have 5 linked. All right. And so every time you go out and shop online or dine locally and you use those cards, then that's when you're going to get your cash back, right? This says you get up to 10% cash back instantly into your Dosh wallet. I'm going to show you the wallet, but as you can actually see from this photo, this is your wallet in the top corner. So every time you earn cash back, it's going to end up in the top right corner of your app. And when that thing hits 20 or more dollars, you can actually transfer that money. You can transfer that money to your PayPal, or you can choose to donate that money to charity, any charity of your choice, okay? So basically, it's very simple. I mean, it's free money, guys. You really can't beat this. I have a couple other apps I'm going to do some other videos on, but if you're looking for some extra money or you want, I've shown you guys several affiliate offers, the promotions that I do. And it's the best way to, in my opinion, without having any inventory to worry about, without having to go door to door trying to sell things, without having to pitch to your family and friends. I love affiliate marketing because you can basically, do these kind of things. I personally have a list. I use my list to promote these things too, instead of, always going in someone's inbox and bugging them, things like that. This is just so simple. And it's the way, as an affiliate marketer, these are the things that I've learned. And this is the things that I've trained my team to do. So basically, continuing on, shopping and dining out, book hotels to, from your app. Again, you can earn up to 10% cash back, just depending on whatever the offer is. And then I just talked about how when it hits 20, you can actually transfer your money over. These are just some of the affiliate stores that are participating with Dosh. Okay, if you guys heard of Ebates, that's another great one. I've earned cash back from that as well. That's another good one. So, I mean, they've even advertised it on TV. If you love to shop, why not earn money, get money back from shopping? It's essentially the same thing with this. And why not refer it to people? Because a lot of people don't know about these things, which is why I like to share them. But my favorite has been Papa John's. Like I said, every Friday night, I order Papa John's for me and my family, and I believe it's like 5% back. Depending on, of course, 5% is whatever, total of the order is. It can vary, $2, $1, depending on what it is. It's not a whole lot, but it adds up depending on where you shop. So free money is free money, guys. Again, it's secure. There's no breach here. There's no breaching of bank. Dosh does not store any credit card or banking information. All credit card information is tokenized and vaulted using Braintree, a PayPal service. So I feel confident. I haven't had any breaches or any nonsense coming through my bank account. So I love it. It just tells you about the different security here with it. So again, guys, right now they're doing that promotion. That promotion is like I mentioned, is that $15 per referral every time you refer somebody, and they follow your instructions, meaning like I'm talking to you guys right now. I'm telling you to go, I'm going to put the link below the video. You're going to click the link, follow the instructions, make sure you link, a credit card or debit card, valid. You're going to get emails. So you want to check your emails because it's going to have like a activation link in there. And then I'm going to leave the generic instructions below the video as well, so you can follow those step by step. But once you do all that, you earn $5 right away for actually activating it. So first and foremost, you're going to earn $5 immediately. Okay. So you're getting free cash upon activating your Dosh account. Then every time you link a card, and again, I don't know what the maximum on linking cards is, but I do know it's $1 per card you link, so you'll earn extra money there. And then finally, when you share this and someone does the same steps, you're going to earn $15. So it's pretty as simple as that. There's nothing shady about it. And whenever you do earn, you'll get like these little notifications like this. It's funny because I had forgotten I linked one of my debit cards, and I had ordered pizza and I forgot. And then I was like, okay, I just got a notification. What is this for? And it was from pizza. And that's what's funny, because I didn't realize that I had linked, that specific card or whatever. But it's nice to know that you get that little extra money in your pocket. All right. So this is just a way, if you don't want to join a business right now, you just want a little extra cash or whatever the case may be, you're shopping. Why not earn some cash back in the process? So I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and then I'm going to open up my app, okay, so I can show you. You might not be able to see it very clearly, but I do want to show you my particular phone app, and hopefully you can see this. Now, there's not a ton of money in here. I just want to show you what it's like, okay, how it works. So basically, if you can see this, you got, you load your own little picture or profile. In the right-hand corner, it's going to tell you how much you have in your wallet. I think I have like $3 in there. And that's just basically whenever I order pizza. So, again, that's going to show you not only the money you're earning on your cash back from purchases, but also whoever joins your opportunity, or not join your opportunity, but whoever you refer, and they do everything you say, follow those instructions, right? Every time they follow those instructions, you're going to get money in your little wallet up here. And when that hits 20, that's when you could actually transfer the money to your PayPal, and you can cash it out through your bank. That's how PayPal works. Or you can donate to any charity you like. And then as well, I don't think you'll be able to see all these, but it basically tells you all the offers in your nearby area based upon your zip code. And like I said, for me, when I do Papa John's, it's like 5% back, right? I have Sam's Club on here. I have PayPal, or I'm sorry, Payless. Chili's is on here. I mean, it just depends on what area you're in, that they're all on here. And like you just saw, they showed you that you can even save on travel, right? This is like, you know, hotel destinations and things that you can click on, and how you can save money that way and earn money, right? So what I'm going to do, guys, for this video, I'm going to leave the link to the Dash app below. And once I do that, just follow the instructions. I'm going to leave like the generic instructions on what you'll do. So it's literally go to the link, right? Download it on your phone. And then basically you have to link your debit or credit card. And I don't know what the maximum on the amount of cards you can link, but you do earn $1 per link. You immediately earn $5 once you actually complete the activation process. You want to look at your emails and check your spam folders as well, because I know when I first started, I missed an important email because it was in my spam folder. So you're going to want to check all that. So anyway, guys, that's all I wanted to share in this video. If you have any comments about it, any questions at all, go ahead and just leave me a comment below. Feel free to share this video. This is going to be on my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. I always want to add as much value. If I'm doing something, I'm going to share it with you. I love affiliate marketing. That's one of the biggest things I do right now, is basically selling other people's products. It works. It's cheap. It's easy. If you're low on funds and you want to get started with the business, you know, I have another opportunity too. But anything that I do, again, I have results with it. I'm going to share it with you. I'm going to share value with you. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you have a fabulous Sunday, and I will talk to you on the next video, guys. Take care.